online world, I am Vincent Atienza from BSHN1A, and today, these are the content of my infomercial video about biodiversity. The first one is the fact about biodiversity. The second one is the threat challenging faces by biodiversity. The third one is the current situation of the Philippines biodiversity. And the fourth one is the personal advocacy as a concerned citizen of society. Watch and observe the video. So what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals in our geographic location. These are the three types of biodiversity: species, ecosystem, and genetic. The phrase of biodiversity refers to a variety of living creatures in excess of the planet. Animal, plant, bacteria, fungi, and other live species are among these living things. The term of biodiversity is frequently used to describe the number of the distinct species found in a given habitat. The number of varies depending on the ecosystem in the different parts of the world. The five main threats of biodiversity are the commonly recognized programming of the word convention. The first one is the climate change. The second one is the habitat loss and degradation. The third one is the nutrient loading and population. The fourth one is the invasive species. And the fifth one is the overexploitation. The Philippines is also one of the world biodiversity hotspot within the last 700 threatened species, thus making it one of the top global conservation area. Yet, this agriculture biodiversity is nowadays experiencing general decline as in the land area devoted to those activities. My advocacy is breaking down the barriers to have an open interaction with others, and this will be the way to get know each other. And also it will be lead have an own identity despite of diversity that will be separate in each of us. Also, it is our goal to educate not only ourselves but also others about oppression, discrimination, privilege, and other social justice issues, and combating this issue on the personal level. How can we preserve our biodiversity? All plastic and glass products should be recycled. Reduce is not eliminate. Misuse the aerosol product. Pick up litter in the park, the sea, yard, and the garden. Invest in the energy-saving electronic and computers. In the garden, plant a variety of flowers. Old paper, cardboard items can be recycled. To provide shade, plant a tree near a house. Always remember the SAI: spread, analyze, implement. Spread is understanding of the value of the nature. Analyze is the value of advantages and preserving nature versus the cost of using lot of it. Implement environment policies are policies that will protect the welfare of environment. According to Professor Mr. David MacDonald at Oxford University, without biodiversity, there is no future for humanity. The more variety, the better society. Protect biodiversity by preserving the environment and loving species. Vision without the action is daydream. Action without the vision is a nightmare. I am Vincent Atienza from BSHN1A. Heal nature, heal human. Thank you and God bless all.